Hello everybody, welcome again to another short formatted video. This is going to be more of a public service announcement on why you should never follow the fads in cryptocurrency and why anyone telling you that a cryptocurrency is going to go up is most likely leading you in the wrong way and has some bad intentions for you. So ApeCoin, if no one is familiar with Bored Ape Yacht Club, it's one of the biggest NFT clubs that was started in this fad and has started to take place. It has billions and billions of dollars of Ethereum, traded, over the course of its inception. But the ape holders have paid, high entry fees into acquiring these NFTs. And so they've held these NFTs for a very long time, and they profited very highly. I think the floor was free at one point, and now it's at 100 Ethereum. So you do the math, 100 Ethereum times 3,000 is 30 million. You're chilling right up there. You're really rich if you're in the Bored Ape Yacht Club. But all the ape holders were airdropped hundreds of thousands of dollars at the peak. I mean, when this hit $18, these guys, I think some of their airdrops were worth 12 million, and this is money that's printed out of the air. There's no rhyme or reason why it has any value, but this is why you guys should be very, very weary of these projects and these currencies. You don't know what the fundamental is. There is no fundamentals. They've taken NFTs, which have no use case to start with, except for creating rarity in the internet that shouldn't even exist. It's just a consolidation of energy used to say you own something, just like what Bitcoin is doing with digital property. But NFTs are just pieces of things you can say I own. You can say I own this TX. It's useless. And then they created an airdrop, which is basically just free money, and without any use case. It just started at $1, and people just bought because there was such a huge buying pressure. And look, the volume's fleeted since the opening candle. It's never ever going to return to these volumes. Everyone who bought up here is going to be stuck buying up here. It had one of the worst days in cryptocurrency in a while. 50% in 2 days. That's a worst crash. Hex has never seen a crash like this. It's seen that maybe prolonged, but it's been instantly bought up. Never will you see Hex perform like this. This is why you should be very, very weary of coins like these. These coins will take your money, and you have no one to hold accountable but your own self. This is FOMO. This is greed. This is what these projects rely on. If you didn't have these emotions, these projects would not be able to thrive. These projects are a terrible representation of the cryptocurrency market, and this is not what people should think about when they want to go buy a cryptocurrency. Sadly, this is what gets the most clicks on any news article, anything. This is all you're gonna find are people talking about this. No one's gonna dive through the white paper. No one's gonna look at how the tokenomics affect the token supply for this. I won't even get into it, but just that everyone knows, if it were to hit $100, it would be bigger than the entire cryptocurrency market and any government in the entire world. So this has been Monetary Recap, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you check out our Webull link and the affiliate link to get 3 free stocks worth up to $500. You can deposit and take it right back.